So Sunday, the 21st of June 2026. Not too much going on here. So apparently we've got a wheel bearing bad on the back of the car. I already did the driver's side. So there was a weird noise, and I kind of figured it was so once you take all the wheel off and then get that cap off there, and then take this nut off of that thing right there, and then you got to get a big hammer and slam that bearing out of there. It'll come out this side if you drive it hard enough. There's a little snap ring in there, and you got to pull that out, and then I wiped this out, cleaned it out pretty good. It looks nice in there. And then you got to drive the new one back in there. I'm going to use the old bearing to slam it down in there. A big old hammer. That's kind of what the new one will look like. It's kind of what the old one looks like. Oh, there's that snap ring I was telling you about. And of course, you should always do this in the middle of a bunch of white upholstery work when you've got that going on. Just get in here with your greasy tools and whatever, big hammers, and go at it. Alright, well, I just made a pizza. I guess I'm going to throw this in the oven and try to heat it up because it's in the shade now. It's not getting hot. There you go. Pop that in there for a bit. Okay, so the bearing's been in the freezer. I got a torch over here warming the center of this even more. It's pretty hot. It's, I don't know. I don't have my temperature gauge, but I blasted it for a few minutes. Now I got it on a slow roast here. Gonna heat it up a little bit more, and then I'm gonna drop this bearing in. All right, well, you missed the good part, 'cause it took a lot of violent hammering on this other bearing to get that thing down in there, but she's down in there nice. Get the snap ring in and get it back on. All right, you got the snap ring back in there and everything. All right, I just got to put this on there. Something like that. Hard to do with one hand. Took a little tappy tap with the brass hammer, but I got her on there. Now you put this nut on there, tighten the living hell out of it. It was really tight. Alright, so once you get your nut good and tight on there, you gotta come back in with your dust cap here. Give that little love tap on there. I'm gonna use a screwdriver to do that.